Hey guys, welcome back to another important video. Today I am going to show you how to delete search history on TikTok. So don't waste your time. Let's get started. First of all, update your TikTok apps. So just tap on Play Store and search here. Just write on TikTok and then search. If your TikTok app already updated, so open here and then tap on profile and then tap on top right corner, just 3 lines, and then scroll down, just tap on settings and privacy and then tap on activity center. Just wait for loading and then tap on search history. Please tap on select. Just select one by one and delete. Then again tap on delete. If you can all search history delete, so just tap on select and then tap on select all search history, then tap on delete all. I have finally delete search history on TikTok apps. If you found this video helpful, so please subscribe to my channel for another important video.